Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Do I?
Yes.
1st of April today, and it's snowing in some parts of France. Not where I live, you know, I live in south of France, so it's not snowing, but 1st of April and it's snowing. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Attack on Titan Season 4, Episode 2. I just watched Episode 1. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye. I was really surprised by that first episode, by the fact that where are our guys? Like, I missed them, but at the same time I said it during the review of the last episode, and in fact I'm saying it since episode now. I wanted at some point to be on the martial side because I wanted to discover how they are functioning, but also how they are thinking about the situation, because we discovered, you know, how they were functioning during Grisha time, but during all of the time that he was inside of the walls, maybe they evolved outside, and during all of this time, you know, that time jump, that time that our guys needed to clean the island, you know, to kill all of the titans, during all of this time, maybe they evolved outside. The fact that they left no one to protect the island, I thought that it was weird. So I really thought that it could be interesting to see how they are functioning outside and what they are thinking, that maybe they evolved. With what I saw during this first episode of the season 4, maybe they didn't evolve that much, because we saw that they are at war. They were at war with Mid-East people, so not with our guys, or maybe with allies of our guys, but not directly with our guys. They are at war, and into this army, the marshal, they were using eldians people, telling them that you're gonna be honored by the martial people and stuff like that. Like, they were sending them first to just be killed because they don't want the martial people to be killed. Like, really, they were using them. In France we are saying like de la chair à canon. And also for suicidal missions, I'm not gonna come back to that. So they didn't change, they are still considering eldians inferior, they are still using them, they are still considering people against them as evils. They have the Beast Titan, the Armored Titan, the one on his feet, and Galliard, I think that is his name. I don't know who he is, but they implied that maybe it was someone that we know. I don't know why I had this impression. We have Falco, Gaby, Udo, who are young soldiers, young eldian soldiers. Gaby, she's brave, it seems that she's really great, and she was clever also with that plan, and she wants to be the successor of the Armored Titan. Colt is gonna be the successor of the Beast Titan. Does it mean that he's related to Zeke or not? We have also the commander Magas. We had Flying Titan, which were sent like that and owned by Zeke. Their order, it was a time jump of 4 years? 5 years? 4 years? I can't remember. But it's 9 years now that they tried to kidnap Eren. If I made my count, you know, right, for me we have 4 titans inside, 4 titans outside, I mean inside and outside, with our guys, with the marshal. But we have also, you know, Annie, we can't consider that she's on our side. She's not on our side, but we have her locked somewhere, so it's maybe more 3 against 4, and 3, like 2 in fact were just 1. That's complicated. We have also that thing about the fact that these superpowers titans, the 9 Titans are not supposed to live for a long time. But Mikasa, she said no, it's not gonna happen. And she didn't say it like she doesn't want it. For me, she said it like she knows it. Which for me means that she knows stuff. And you know my theory about Mikasa? For me, Mikasa was the one to erase Eren's memories when he went into the forest with Grisha, when he was transformed, when he discovered what he did to his dad. All of that he remembered it. After that he was taken by the soldier to that place and he woke up into that place only with Mikasa and he didn't remember what happened before. And Mikasa, the fact that she acted always so protective with Eren, that was already the case before, but for me, maybe she has that memory power that, you know, the royal family has. Mikasa, since a long time, I think that she might be a Titan. But the fact that she's not one of the 9s. And we know also that these 9 Titans, they have to be connected in a way to the founding Titan. And by the fact, you know, that we have Armin, we have Annie, we have Reiner. You know, all of them, they have a connection with Eren, in fact. We have Zeke also, who has a connection with Eren, like they are half brothers. It would mean that the one on his feet and Galliard, they are also connected to Eren, in a way. I'm not gonna talk about the first Attack Titan, you know, can't remember his name right now, but him saying we need to save Mikasa and Armin, like all of that time loop situation, time traveling situation, I don't know, like I don't want to talk about it for now. I'm in denial, you know, but willingly. Like I told you during the review of the last episode that since a long time I'm explaining to you the fact that all of these reveals in Attack on Titan, for me it's really like I'm into a swimming pool and each time I'm trying to reach the bottom, and with each new reveal they are just telling me that in fact it's deeper, that pool is deeper than I thought. From 1 meter to 3 meters to 5 meters to 10 meters, like now it's 20 meters. And maybe the fact that I don't want to talk, to think about that time situation, it's really like I want deeper. And because of the fact that I thought that it was not that deeper, I don't have enough air and I needed to get back to the surface to have more air so I can go again and swim and go deeper with enough air. Like I don't have enough air to go that deep. That's really an image to explain to you why I don't want to talk about it for now, why I didn't add, you know, that fact to my theories about the situation, because for now it's too big, too important, changing so many stuff that I can't deal with it. And I had a lot of time, you know, to deal with it since I watched the last episode of the season 3. I had a lot of time, then I watched the 3 episodes of the OVA, you know, Lost Girls. Right now I'm beginning the season 4 and still I don't want to process the information. It's really not like I don't process the information, it's I don't want to process the information. Let's go for this episode 2. Are we gonna stay with Falco and the other ones? The fact that the credits, you know, of the last episode at the end, it was about Falco, it's telling me that he's gonna be an important character, in fact, for this new season. Why not, you know? Again, it's great to be with the martial side, to connect, you know, with some of the characters, so when our guys are gonna come to kill them, we're gonna feel sad. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro. Remember that, like usually, you have my Patreon on which you can support me. Really, I'm a little reactor, and for the last months I have a lot of issues with YouTube. I told you what kind of issues during the intro of the last episode. If you want to support me, you have my Patreon, and on my Patreon you have 6 episodes of Advance. It's really a lot, and you have extended or 4 action parts. I think that for the first episode of this season 4 I'm gonna put a 4 action part, and for Attack on Titan I put a lot of 4 action parts in fact, because it's big episodes and reacting a lot. So that's advantages, you know, that I'm giving to you on my Patreon to reward you if you want to support me on it. You can support me right now on YouTube, you know, by subscribing, liking, commenting. Maybe at some point YouTube is gonna stop to be an asshole with me. Maybe. I'm saying that since months now and it's not changing at all. But I don't lose up, you know. Let's go for this episode 2!
これがかの大国マーレの勝利だと言えるのか。マガト、これはどういう伝説
Magato.
その時が来たのです。
So we're still with the marshal
巨人の
side,
力を
okay?
超えるその時、諸外国はそれに抗うべく兵器の開発に力を入れた。
Because they know also that you have less titans, so they know that it's a good time to attack.
元帥殿、つまり我々はもう巨人の力分かっておる。
Comes to an end.
かつては悪魔エルディアを打ち取りし英雄の国マーレが今や何たることだ。信玄のご許可賜りたく存じます。脅威の子ジークよ。
The Wonder Boy!
こそパラディ島作戦を再開し、始祖の巨人奪還を急ぐべきです。
You want to come back to that operation that maybe you stopped?
開発に力を注ぐべきです。しかし、それまで諸外国が黙っているでしょうか。パラディ島を占拠し、すべての巨人の力を収めたという新聞の見出しが必要なのです。
It's a question of image and power.
あと1年足らずだったな。と思って4年前の雪辱を果たしたいというわけか。その通りでございます。グリシャ・イエーガーの行いに終止符を打つのは、かつての息子である私でなくてはなりません。
So we didn't have another time jump. During the time that our guys were doing that, you know, destroying all titans on Paradise Island, you were doing that, no? It was birds falling?
悪かったな、コルト。お前を出しにしちまって。いえ、素晴らしかった。
Who is he for you? I think that it might be your son.
ジークさんの獣の能力は歴代とは全く違う。まるで話に聞く始祖の巨人だ。どうして特別なんでしょう。王家の血を引いているわけでもないのに。
記憶を継承するお前には知られちまうかもな。俺の秘密を。
秘密
?1 年でパラディ島を落とせるらしいな。
That's what you think at
私
least.
には1年しか残されていないという話。軍の船が32
But
隻
you
も
said
沈められた
9 years, so still we have
それは
another
巨人
time
一体の
jump.
仕業とは考えにくい。エレン・イエーガーを含む巨人が2体以上調査船に立ちふさがったのではないでしょうか。そして何より敵の脅威は巨人だけじゃない。
Mikasa? You're afraid of Mikasa?
時の礼をまだ言ってなかったな。ガリアド。
Galliard, that's you?
助かったよ。
そもそも9年前に俺が鎧を継承している。
Wait! You look like the guy, you know, that we add into a credit with Reiner, Bertolt and Annie, but I thought that you were the guy that Ymir ate. So you are not that guy. Okay, so you're Galliard. Okay.
兄貴がお前をかばってそら辺の巨人に食われることもなかった。
It was your brother, Marcel.
兄貴のアキトを返してくれたのもあの女の石だ。
Joe?
じゃあお前はあの島で何をしたんだ。誰かに助けられてばかりじゃねえか。女の記憶を通してお前を見たが、あれなんだ。随分と頼れる男を気取って。
Tap. Again? You saw how he acted through her memories? You had access to her memories? Did you eat her? Or did you touch her? You have that kind of power also?
まるで兄貴の真似事じゃねえか。
艦砲射撃を食らった人をいじ
大丈夫か。
Pick.
人間に戻るのは2ヶ月ぶりだからね。
You were not human before, you were a titan?
久しぶりに会った気がするな。
戦場じゃいつも一緒だったろ。
しばら
It
く
means that you ate a clever titan? Ymir? No. Ayo!
巨人が戦争で役に立たなくなっ
戦したいわ。エルディア人は本国に戻ったら巨人兵器の非人道性を訴えるマスコットにされる。世界の皆さん、ユミルの民は殺しましょう。
みんなも無事だったか、ガビ。
Well, that for you.
ゾブヤ。
ねえ、私たちレベリオの本部に帰れるんだって。それまでにこの
And the music like that, like your adoptive father?
大丈夫だ。心配ない。
ファルコが帰って寝てな。
俺も行くよ。
The four of you?
そっちの店はまだお前らには
Ah, you were like them at some point? You know, young eldians into this army?
ガビは800の投資に代わり、果敢にも走行列車に挑んだんだぞ。
ちょっとこれと
Yes, called
あのバカ誰が誰のために命を張ったか。
to prove herself.
君たちエルディア人部隊のために他ならない。
俺よりダメだ。目をつぶろう。
Ah!
兄に酒を飲ませるのが悪いんです。ガビのやつにすぐ調子に乗るから。
Count is your brother?
あなたを慕う少女がこのまま鎧を継承すれば
You will, I mean.
艦砲射撃の的にならなければですが。
お前なんて言った？9つの巨人を継承する名誉を冒涜したのだ。
天使候補生ファルコ・グライスは己の一族を悪しきユミルの力解放するべく
その巨人を継承する名誉を何と心得る。
メリのマーリ人として栄誉と誇りを授かる。鎧の巨人を継承するのは俺です。
Also because you want to protect her.
お前がガビを救い出すんだ。この真っ暗な俺たちの未来から。
And you think so also, Reiner.
生きて帰ってきたぞ
You're back?
愛しの故郷レベリオ。
大きい声出すな。
Ah. You, girl, peak? I don't understand your journey.
担がれるうちが花だよ。実際大活躍だったんだもん。ピークさん。
He's
いや、
blushing.
もし副長が俺と同じ考えでエルディア人を戦争から解放したいんだとしたら
That's what you want, Falco? That's what Reiner wants? That's your own place. New walls in Eldian town behind the walls.
あんた何張り切ってんの
What we saw of Grisha.
そんなんじゃねえ。
Oh, it's making me think of the survey corps. You know, coming back home.
ジーク、じいちゃん、ばあちゃん。ただいま。
俺とファルコ。ライナー。疲れたでしょ。帰ってゆっくりなさい。
It's his family? I don't know why I imagined that he was an orphan.
コスルさん。
どこ
You're playing with
大丈夫
them.
ですか。大丈夫ですよ。きっと良くなりますよ。もうあなた。
You're nice, Falco.
狙った通り。
Telling what
走
you
行列
did.
車は脱線してひっくり返った。
Nothing changed since Grisha left the place.
お前の勇気が多くの同胞の命を救ったんだ。お前はエルディアの救世主だ。ガビが鎧の巨人の継承権を得るのは決定的だと思う。
一族から二人の戦士を授かるなんて誇りに思うよ。
Two warriors? So they are related?
エルディア
Like cousins or something like that?
なれるのにね。凶悪で残虐な悪魔たちの住む島に5年も潜入してたんだよ。
5 years and 4 years, so no new time jump.
おいよ、わかった。
Nephew, that's it, your cousins.
話せることもある。連中はまさしく悪魔で残虐非道な奴らだったよ。
You don't think so?
入隊した奴がいた。評価が
Potato girl.
悪びれる様子もなく答えた。自分のことしか考えてねえ不真面目な奴に、突っ走るしか頭にねえ奴に、何があってもついていく奴らだったり、そこにいた日々はまさに地獄だった。
No, you're lying.
いろんな奴らって何？悪い奴らでしょ。
Nah.
また強大な巨人で世界を踏み潰し進撃してくるかわからない。
Ah, that's what they are telling you, that at some point they are gonna come and destroy all of you. The worst
島
titan.
に逃げた私たちを見捨てた奴らに。
And they abandoned you. yes. Okay. What Reiner said. For me, it seems awful, and I said you're lying, but for them, it seems that it was not awful, and you were saying that they were not all bad.
珍しいですね。全市長の部屋に集合なんて。
All of the Clever Titans?
エルディア人はより生存権を脅かされる立場になる。これは民族滅亡の危機だ。早急に始祖の巨人とパラディ島の資源をマーレに収めること。
Show me that Earth of yours, you know, if it's the same than ours.
それをタイバー家が引き受けてくれるそうだ。
タイバー家？
巨人を管理するタイバー家。
確かにタイバーはその巨人の力を敵国に向けたことが世界の耳を傾けざるを得ないでしょう。
さすがピークちゃんだ。その通りだよ。気持ちはわかるが、タイバー家の祖国マーレを憂いているんだ。俺たち戦士隊もタイバー家と協力して英雄国マーレ復活の礎となりましょう。このレベリオで祭事が行われる。祭事、諸外国の要人や記者を招いて
VIP, ça me
1年以内にパラディ島を制圧すると。エルディア人と
You
マ
give
ーレの
yourself 1 year
こ
to
の
take
作戦に
it
かかって
back.
祖国マーレの未来のために今一度皆の心を一つにしよう。
You're listening?
密室でこの内容なら問題ないだろう。ジークの一言がなければ
Don't believe them?
この部屋にはいない。
You think that they are hiding you something?
俺はまた行くのか。あの島へ。
Fuck you, like it's not the same ending credit, no? No, it's Falco. Reiner, Gaby. Again, it's like a phoenix. I don't know who is the girl like that. Like a tree of lights. Taking the light on your arm. After that battle that we saw during the first episode, you came back to the military base. You had that military reunion during which you are talking about your enemies, the ones outside of your territory that you are fighting for Zeke. To show them how superior you are, you have to have the power of the founding titan and also to use it for your image, like to prove that you are still right there. Zeke was present. Colt is gonna take the place of the Beast Titan, we knew it, in 1 year. That's why he's following Zeke, you know, is that close to him. So Zeke, you want to take back the island, to take back control of the island and to have the founding titan during that year. Reiner, you know that soon you're gonna have to give the power of the armored titan to someone. Why not Gaby, but why not also Falco? Falco, who is Colt's brother. Galliard, it was Marcel's brother who was eaten by Ymir. But Ymir, we saw her, you know, like she was taken like that. And Galliard, he said, when I had her memories, for me, Galliard, he took the power of Ymir, he ate Ymir. That girl, Pig, she said, it has not been a long time, you know, that I became human again, so it means that you're also a clever titan. A clever titan or a super power titan? The colossal, the armored, the female, the attack titan, the founding titan, the beast titan, the one on his feet, Galliard. Maybe you can be that one? Pig? Okay, stop. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm gonna lose time trying to do it again. I think that she's one of the 9s, but it's weird. Okay, stop. You want to do that? Reiner, you were acting with these kids like you were a father for them, you know? And they are respecting you, they are admiring you, they are listening to you like that. And you sort of them, you know, you looked at them like you looked at yourselves, Annie, the four of you when you were young. So it means that when you were young, guys, you were like them, you were young soldiers, young eldians soldiers, used right there. But Annie, we saw her training with her father. I didn't have the impression, Annie, that she was an eldian. Maybe she was. During her flashbacks, you know, she didn't have the star, Annie. Falco, he wants to protect Gaby. When Gaby, she wants to be the armor titan because she's, you know, she's brainwashed and she's totally embracing everything that they told her about the situation, about killing the devils war on the other side. When Falco, he wants to end that war, he said it, and he had the impression that Reiner wants the same. I don't have the same impression at all, but Falco, he had this impression. And right there at the end, these guys listening to this Titan reunion, they were listening on purpose because they don't trust them. You know, they said, oh, they didn't say anything important, anything bad. They are saying stuff that we were expecting. Ah no, Zeke, he said not in that room, like implied that they can't talk freely into that room. So maybe they just said what you wanted them to say, all of that propaganda and all of that mission that they are supposed to do, but in fact they want something else. I don't think that Reiner, Zeke, they want to stop that war. I don't think so. But at the same time, what do we know of them? We know their mission, the first one, to capture Eren. We know that they really wanted it. We know that they killed a lot of people for that. What Zeke said to Eren during that time when they met, your father did the same to me, used me also, manipulated me and all. We discovered only after that Zeke was in fact your brother. What did he say also? I want to take you back home, he said stuff like that. No, I don't think that he wants peace, Zeke. Maybe they have another mission on mind, but it's not about peace. And same for Reiner after all of what happened to him. Something which is fun is the fact that during that conversation with his family, when he was saying all of that, you know, when he was describing them, for me he was saying awful stuff about our guys. Like, I was like, you're talking badly about them, you're insisting on the fact that they are just stupid people, they are really inferior to you, they are, yes, really stupid and all. For me, it was the impression that I had about him talking about them like that. But for them, you know, for his family, him talking like that, it was weird and it was bad because he gave them the impression, not that they were stupid, but that there was something different than bad. Do you understand what I mean? It was really funny that for me what he said was bad because he was implying that they were stupid, and for them it was bad because he was implying that there was something else than bad. Like, it was fun, you know, to have that, these lines saying, and they didn't have the same impact on me than what they had on them. Gaby, she was really shocked that you could imply that they are not just evils, they are not just doing bad stuff, like to have all of these stories about these people. Yes, to have this story about these people. In fact, Reiner was saying that they are humans. Do you understand what I mean? And for Gaby, it was a shock to have Reiner talking about them like talking about human people. Okay, doing stupid stuff, but doing human stuff. That's interesting, really. That thing, the fact that I didn't take it like them, I thought that it was interesting. Udo's reaction, you know, with these soldiers who are not killed, and you are saying that because of them, people are going to continue to see eldians badly. all of these kids that are brainwashed so badly about thinking that they have to regain honor for the eldians. They are inferiors no matter what, and everything that they have to do is to obey. So at some point maybe people are gonna respect a little more the eldians. Like all of what they are doing for them, they are doing it to bring back honor to the eldians. Gaby, that's what she said in a way to her parents. It's so weird. And the fact that they are sending back their troops, you know, the Eldian troops army, to this place, Liberio. First into these trains, like, did you see the differences between the part where the marshals were and also the titans? They had seats, you know, they were comfortable into these places, when the other ones, they were all packed into a wagon, you know, without anything to sit on. And you're coming back to this place, your town, behind walls, behind barriers, and a really sad place in comparison of the town, you know, that you were before, you know, during that military meeting, that place that we discovered, all of these colors, all of these things, like it was bright, a bright place in a way, even if it was a little destroyed. It was a bright place, and your town, it's just grey, it's just big walls, it's just also big, not buildings, but you know, you're trying to put all of the persons that you can into a small place. Like, it gave me this impression, nothing changed since Grisha time. Like, the only thing that we discovered about that place, about that society, about that territory, it was during Grisha episode, you know, that flashback. Nothing changed for them, for how they are treated, for how this society is functioning. Nothing changed. You are still used, you are still forced to live like that as prisoners. Right there we're gonna have a festival inside with VIPs coming. Something is gonna happen, I think, during that moment. Something bad, you know, for the martial people. But at the same time, I don't want that to happen right then, because they're gonna accuse the eldians. You know, if something bad is happening during that festival inside of this place, they're gonna accuse them. And again, martial people are gonna be against eldians and are gonna use them, are gonna kill them. Yes, I'm defending them. They are eldians also, and they are used. But right there, they were fighting. Not against all guys, but they are fighting. They are so brainwashed, you know. It's really hard because I want to be against them, because I feel that they're gonna be against all guys. But they were taught to be that, they were brainwashed to think like that, to do stuff like that. And we can see that some of them, like Falco and all, they don't appreciate that. It's not that easy, you know, it's not all black or all white. The time jump situation, we didn't have, in fact, another time jump since the end of the season 3, or not that much, because they said that 9 years ago they sent Reiner inside. They said that this war is there since 4 years. It's not that much, in fact. I thought, you know, that after the season 3 we had another time jump of 4 years, but no, not that much. Galliard, your martials, brother. For me, you hate Emir. To have our memories. Pike, I can't remember. Is she the one on the feet? This title? New questions. No answers. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break to eat, and then I'm gonna come back to watch one more episode today. It's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.